gracious God, just as the sunflower turns toward the sun, transform our hearts to be dedicated to you. Empower us to become a community of faith, service and leadership, confident that we can inspire unity. Encourage us to be lifelong learners, mirroring the example of Saint Julie, joined with the tradition of Notre Dame. May we embody the goodness of God